Hey everyone, welcome back to mmautotech, your go-to source for all things autotech. In our last video, we covered V2, V3, and V4 engines. Today we're diving into the V5, V6, and V8 engines. First up, the V5 engine. Why the name? It has 5 cylinders arranged in a V shape. V5 engines are rare, but are known for providing smooth power and balance. Volkswagen used it in the Golf and Bora for a unique blend of performance and efficiency. Next is the V6. It's called V6 because of its 6-cylinder layout. This engine is super popular across cars and SUVs, offering a perfect mix of power, efficiency, and smooth operation. You'll find V6 engines in everything from the Toyota Camry to the Ford Explorer. And finally, the V8 engine. With 8 cylinders arranged in a V shape, the V8 is synonymous with raw power. You'll find it in muscle cars like the Dodge Charger, trucks, and even luxury SUVs. It's perfect for speed and towing power. So there you have it. V5 for rarity and balance, V6 for versatility, and V8 for power. Want to explore more V engines in future videos? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to mmautotech for more insights on auto engines. See you in the next video.